Good morning.
Good morning. Here we are in beautiful Suffolk on this wonderful spring bank holiday Monday with the idiots, and we're heading up to Great Wood, which is just through there. We've come from Rede, little village, which is down there. Not many places to park, but helpful locals who point us in the right direction. On our right here, this is Great Wood. The highest point is over there towards the mast. And there's some amazing bird sounds coming out of that wood. So according to the map, highest point in Suffolk. What an interesting place. See the radio mast just over there, and we're going to go around nearer the radio mast. One of the most well walked paths in Suffolk we're on now, with Smithy at the front deciding to stop for anything and everything. That looks boggy there, though. Here we are, Norfolk now. Still cold, starting to rain now. Norfolk's historic county top. Over here somewhere. I can see the sea!
You see the sea, Neil?
Where are we actually going?
We just check. I think this might be it. This must be it.
So here we are. Got the dogs out, walked all the way from over there. And we're here. And bumped into someone from Ramsey as well. Norfolk, historic county top. Done. So here we are, back again, out of breath, after going about 4 yards that way.
It wasn't 4 yards. It was definitely a steep hill. So we went down and back up.
This, I'm assuming, is part of the old Roman fort.